Meaning of deep throat.
Deep throat.
Deep throat.
Deep throat.
Deep throat. Deep throat is a term with multiple meanings. The most commonly known usage refers to a 1972 political scandal involving an anonymous source who provided information to reporters investigating the Watergate scandal. The identity of the source was kept secret and he was referred to as deep throat. The term has also been used in reference to a pornographic film from 1972 featuring a woman performing fellatio. In both cases, the term refers to something hidden or secret being revealed.